Today I'm here at M Plus Museum of West Kowloon, Cultural District, Hong Kong. From here you can view the Hong Kong almost at 360 degree. This is the M Plus Museum. From here go this one, the local container port, okay, the Palace Museum. This way you go to the airport, that side, that is the Hong Kong. So the Pacific Hotel, Pacific Club, the white one. This is the finance district, Hong Kong side. All these finance of big offices is here, and here is the peak is very famous in Hong Kong, especially in the night view is very nice. So I will recommend you to এখানে আসলে আমরা অনেক কিছু একসাথে দেখতে পারি. All is free.